Hey there, thanks for joining us. Be sure to watch this entire video as we guarantee it will be worth your time.
Welcome to your step-by-step walkthrough the authority videos. Once you get your agency set up, you will be redirected to the dashboard where you will see all of the latest activity that you had in your authority videos. You will see how many videos are scheduled, how many are already posted, and what kind of account you have. How many videos you still can create this month, and what is your subscription. Then you will be able to see the videos that you created right on the bottom with the details of when the video was created, the name of the video, where it was syndicated, and whether it was posted or just scheduled. You can also access the actions for each video and find a final link where video was posted or delete the video altogether. If you click on the 12 months video schedule, you will be able to see all of the videos that are scheduled throughout the year moving forward. You will also find the options in the sidebar that would allow you to create a video, to check out your video dashboard, to find your interview scripts, and update your video options. There are also settings for your agency that you can update. If you click on the settings, you will find the profile details. You will be able to update your agency contact information and agency details. On the social setup dashboard, you will be able to update your social networks. You'll be able to add more if you didn't add those networks that the agency set up, or add multiple accounts if you want to post to more than just one YouTube channel, for example. Then, going back to the dashboard, this is where you will be able to create your videos by clicking Create a Video. Before you go with the video creation, make sure that you record yourself with the audio that you will create using the interview scripts. All the scripts are going to be found right here in the sidebar. If you click on the interview scripts, you will be able to download them once you recorded the audio or video with using the scripts. You'll be able to create the video by clicking Create Video button and following along the step-by-step process. When you create a new video, you will be able to set up your interview layout, whether you want to see the full video or a signed map in the video. You will be able to capture the map location if you do that, and it will take up to 1 minute to get that uploaded into the system. Once that's done, you will be able to update a few details. First of all, you will be able to decide what video type you're creating, online marketing or vertical marketing, and then what video topic you want to go for. So once you selected your video topic, make sure your company name is correct, the full name is correct, website URL, and the contact phone. Then click Next Step. On the second step of creating your video, you will be able to upload your interview. Whether it's audio interview or video interview, you need to make sure that your file does not extend certain dimensions. For the video, the maximum file size would have to be 1280 by 720, and it should be an MP4 type of a file. And for audio, it will be an MP3 file that should not extend 90 megabytes. So click Upload Audio or Video, and then upload your interview. Once your file was successfully uploaded, you will be able to pre-listen to the file against the spokesmodel voice. So you'll be able to see if the volume of the audio is matching up with the spokesmodel. Just click the preview.
Marketing your website.
Hear the spokesmodel first, and then your file after a while. Then you'll be able to match up. Then decide when you want to schedule that video to be created. just go for generating the video on a certain date of your choice and decide if you want it to be a public or an unlisted video. Click Edit Uploaded File next. Once you uploaded your video or audio file, you will be able to edit it. You will find the headshot of the expert right here as your first image. Then you will be able to update the images throughout the full timeline. All of the images that are matching the formula of the script. So it's very easy to follow along. So you can upload the industry image. Tip number 1, you will just click image, click gallery, then find your image that you want to upload. For example, let's do this one. And then you will be able to type up your tip right here. Just like this, and then match it up with the second tip. For example, you will upload the image as well. Let's say here's another image that we can go for, something like that. And we can also add a tip. And then moving on to the next one, again, you can upload an image, or in this case, we're gonna upload a video that will show you how it's going to look once the video is uploaded, and then add the text for the third tip. All right, and once you've done that, you only have one more image to upload for the industry. So let's do that. For example, just like this. And you can also decide if you want to add some text in here. It can be set up freely. You also have some rich text editor right on top. You can change the color of the text, the size of the text, the position of the text, what type of a line height you're going to have, what type of a font you want to have, and also manage the boldness and the style of the text as well. Then, if you do not want to add the text, you can actually manage the way the image is dimmed. So you can make it bright or dim it all the way if you'd like to. There is a lot of room for being creative. And then if you want to blur the image instead, you can do that. Now you can also make sure that your images match the audio file. You can move the specific tips from side to side right here to make sure it aligns with the text. And you can also do that with all the other items right here to make sure that they match up with your audio. And then you can also split certain items. For example, if you want more than just one tip or 3 tips, you can split these frames to add more tips that you have initially. And you can also cut certain items, copy certain items, and paste certain frames as you wish. You can also make the timeline larger or smaller for easier management. You can go back a couple of steps if you did something that you didn't really want to do. Before you generate your video, make sure to preview your video so it makes the most sense, and also see where you want to apply a lower third. If you did not select the lower third on the initial first step of creating your video, it will not show up throughout the whole video. So if you want to show the lower third on the expert image, you will be able to do that by placing the lower third right here underneath. You can select the one you like. There's also the color that you can choose to make it more custom. Once you've done all of your selections and completed your video, make sure again that you preview it because you won't be able to edit it afterwards. So make sure that everything you want it to do is done properly, and then go ahead and send to schedule. Now that you created one video, you can go back to the dashboard and review your script or record another audio, or you can create another authority video if you already have your audio or video set up. Now, this particular video that you created will be added to your production schedule and will be posted on the date that you selected it to be produced and posted to your social media channels. So if everything looks good, just choose one of these steps that you want to follow with and click on that button. Last but not least, if you would like to update your video options anytime before or after creating a video, you will find the video options in the sidebar. Click the tab in the sidebar and you will be able to update your headshot, update your company name, the website, the name for your contact, the first and last name, phone number. Then save your video settings. And this is the basic setup of your authority videos from top to bottom. Now, if you need more information, we can always help you with the resources you have access to. First of all, there's always going to be a knowledge base available on your right-hand side that will give you the details about each step of the process of creating the video. We'll also have a dedicated team of customer success that helps you every step of the way answering your questions, and you can connect with them by emailing to support@strategicmarketer.com. You can also open a support ticket from your members area, include a brief Loom video that explains your concern. That will be very helpful. Then we meet on a weekly basis on Fridays for our Friday Live training, where we share latest tips, strategies, and have your questions answered about anything in your systems as well. On top of that, you can order additional support with our coaches or our support agents for technical support with the paid options. You can book your strategy call or your technical support session at www.strategicmarketer.com/paid support. We hope you will have a wonderful time creating your authority videos, and you will boost your sales and boost your reputation.
So, if you want to get the best possible deal, please check out the link below.